Bore da, good morning. It's Jo from Talk and Play. Well, because it's World Book Day, I've decided to read for you one of my favourite stories. It's called Fox's Socks. Are you ready? Poor old fox, he's lost his socks. He looks in the chest, but he finds a vest. Oh, well done. I don't know where Fox's socks are, do you? Turn the page. On it goes. But they've got cold toes, said Fox. Under the stair, there's a shirt to wear. The shirt goes on. But my socks, they're gone, said Fox. I don't know where they are. I haven't seen Fox's socks anywhere. In a cupboard way up high, Fox finds a bow tie, just like mine. Well done, Fox. The bow tie looks neat, but I've got bare feet, said Fox. Under the mat, Fox finds a hat. Well done. But where are my socks? Says poor old Fox. He looks in the clock and he finds a sock. Well done. But Fox needs two. What can he do? I don't know where Fox's socks are. Shall we open the chest? Yes. Open the chest. Look. Found his last sock. At last, 2 socks, said Fox. Well done. Well, I enjoyed that story and thank you for your help looking for Fox's socks. I'd like to see what you choose for your World Book Day story. That's all from me for now. Bye bye. Hwyl fawr.